Hello everyone. I wanted to just send a video and talk to you about the pizza problem that we had on the lab number 4, and I made a mistake, and so I just want to make sure that it's clear to everybody what is going on here with this. So deal number 1 says that it's $8.99 for the first pizza and then $5 for each additional pizza. And so when I was reading through that really quick, and I know a lot of you did the same thing, you're thinking that the equation would be y equals 5x plus $8.99, because this x would be the number of pizzas. However, the thing that's not accounted into this is that this $8.99, right, is already another pizza that you've bought. So x really doesn't represent the number of pizzas there. So I want to look at, and get rid of that so you don't think it's something that we should have, but that's what a lot of people were putting down. So let's just make a little table. So this is for deal 1, right? So for deal number 1, if we're looking at the number of pizzas and also their total cost. Whoops. All right. Then for the first pizza, right, we know that the first pizza is $8.99, so the total cost is $8.99. But for 2 pizzas, all right, that's going to go up by $5, so that would mean it's $13.99. And if we go up and just do this a little bit more for 3 pizzas, $5 more would be $18.99. And then 4 pizzas, that means it's going to increase by $5 more, which is $23.99. And let's just go up one more. So at 5 pizzas, that would be $28.99. All right, so here are our prices, and we can see that when we are working on this, right, from here to here, we can see that the increase is indeed $5. But our start amount, right, is, we have it at $8.99 there, but that's not our true start amount. So that's really what we need to figure out here, is we know what the slope is, but we don't know what the y-intercept is. So if we use one of these points, right, so I could use this top one here, which is 1, $8.99, and I'll just write it up here as an ordered pair. All right, so this is our x and our y, and then we know that our slope is 5. All right, so if we put it into that y equals mx plus b, so we can solve for the b, then we'll end up with $8.99 equals 5 times 1 for our x plus b. So it looks like here, to get b by itself, we need to subtract 5 over to the other side. When we do that, we're left with $3.99. So our b is in fact $3.99, not the $8.99 like I mistakenly said because I wasn't reading through the question very carefully. So when we write this down as an equation, right, we'd have y equals 5, which is our slope, x plus $3.99. And then if we're looking to see, on the first question on part A, it does say that, we were trying to figure out when does deal 1 become a better deal. So if we're looking at this, right, well, we know deal 2 is just $6 a pizza. So maybe if I wrote another column here for deal 2, right, so I'll just put it as D2. Well, for 1 pizza, we know that's going to be 6. For 2, it's going to be 12. For 3, it'll be 18. For 4, it'll be 24. And for 5, it will be, it will be 30. So when we're looking at this, we can tell at 4 pizzas, right, it was $23.99 and $24 here. And so it looks like that the better deal starts right here at 4 pizzas, right? Because before that we had $18.99 and then it cost $18 for deal 2. So it looks like deal 2 is still the better deal until we get to 4 pizzas, and then deal 1 is the better deal. So basically what that means is, it's better to, go with deal 1 if you're going to be buying 4 or more pizzas. All right. So anyway, I hope that helps you to figure out the rest of that lab. And as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions, and we'll see you in class.